As the world continues to change and evolve, we are continually learning more about the limitations of our natural resources. Virtually every industry is now faced with finding cleaner and more efficient technologies that will help us build a future that relies less on fossil fuels and more on technological know-how. The asphalt industry is no different, and now is properly positioned for a major breakthrough in science and technology as it applies to conventional hot mix asphalt, HMA. For many years, the road construction industry has strived to reduce the amount of energy needed to produce hot mix in order to combine energy savings and environmental benefits. Until now, the proposed solutions have either been cost prohibitive or inferior in quality. For the first time, a product has been developed and tested to not only compete against HMA, but to also outperform it. New technological advances have made way for a new road building category known as warm mix asphalt. Suitcoat has created two new exciting products in the new category, LEA and LEA Light. These products require less energy to produce and are friendlier to the environment. LEA is produced using the low-energy wet sand process. This process relies on sequential mixing of the asphalt binder containing a chemical additive being added to the hot coarse aggregates, followed by the introduction of wet sand, which creates a foaming action. The wet sand fraction, which could be as high as 40% of the total mixture and could contain 0 to 100% RAP, is unheated in this process. It should be noted that sand, or fines, carries the most moisture, subsequently requiring the most amount of energy to dry. With a desired mixed discharge temperature of around 215 degrees Fahrenheit, the low-energy process provides the greatest reduction in energy consumption of all the available alternatives. LEA Light is produced using a chemical process. This process relies on a chemical additive in the PG binder that allows mixing and compaction at much lower temperatures, typically 25 to 50 Fahrenheit degrees less than conventional mixes. No plant or mix changes are required for this process. Although these processes are relatively new, we have already witnessed many environmental and work safety benefits by using LEA and LEA Light instead of conventional mixes. These products tend to exhibit improved compatibility, resulting in smoother pavements.